Hello viewers, welcome to my math class. Today I am going to explain that 7th class first chapter integers exercise 1.5. Okay, first problem, verify the following. What is that? 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equals to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. We have to do that, verify. Verify means we have to prove that left side value, right side value both are same. So now what it is? See solution. See left side value, LHS value we have to take that. What? So 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 as is you should write, and the right hand side value 18 into 7 plus and 18 into minus 3. So this is, and now so left side value, so by this 18 as is you should write, and now we can simplify this, plus this bracket convert into relation, so of plus into minus, so minus, we know that the relation plus into minus is minus, and remove this bracket and write the minus 3 here, and is equals to, now 18 7 ja 126, write direct in bracket, plus, and now see this 18 into minus 3. See 18 has the plus symbol and here it is 3 has a minus symbol. Plus into minus, minus 18 3 are 54. You should write like this. Okay. So now 18 as is you should write 18 into. So 7 minus 3. What is the value of 7 minus 3? 4. So that can be written as, now 126 as is you should write, and remove this bracket here. Now plus into minus, minus 54 as is you should write. So now 18 into 4, 18 into 4. So both are having the plus symbols. Now 18 4s are 72. 18 4s are 72. Direct you have to write. And now 126 minus 54. The 126 has the plus symbol and 54 has a minus symbol. Subtract. So 126 minus 54. If you subtract these two, what you will get? 6 minus 4 2. 12 minus 5 7. See that? 72 is equal to 72. Here LHS value, left hand side value, and RHS value both are same. So this is the verification of the first one. So verified completed. LHS equals to RHS. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. This is the first problem. Okay. Now the second problem. Verify the following. First bit, second problem. So minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6 is equals to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. What is that? See left side value. First of all, we have to take that. So right as is minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6. So this is the question as is left side, and minus 21 right side into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. As is you should write first question as is, and now that left side value minus 21 as is you should write into, now simplify this. So minus 4 here I said already in the previous problem, bracket convert into relation, plus into minus, minus. So this is minus 4, remove the bracket, plus into minus, minus, and this is 6. So finally what we will get? Minus 4 minus 6 is equals to here. And again simplify these two, minus into minus, minus into minus, plus, so 21 into 4, 21 into 4 you have to write first, plus afterwards, now again simplify this, so minus into minus plus again, so 21 into 6, so 126, or you can write it as first as is 21 into 6, afterwards we can multiply that, so minus 21 as is, minus 21 as this into, now this is minus 4 minus 6, we have to add minus 4 minus 6 minus 10, so both are having the same symbol, so that's why we will get our result also in negative form here, minus 10. So now is equals to, see here multiply 21 4s are what, so 84, and plus 21 6s are how much, 126. 126. So now minus into minus, here into relation, minus into minus, what, plus, so 21 10s are 21 10 how much? 210. So that is equal. Remove the bracket, complete. So now 84 plus 126. We have to see, observe, add them. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Here 1 plus 2, 3 plus 8, 11. Here 1 and 2. See, observe, 210 is equals to 210. So therefore, LHS is equals to RHS. So this is the verification of the second one. So verify means only we have to verify. No need to write which property we are using here. No need. So only verify the following means we have to prove that LHS value, right side value, left side value both are same or not. We have to check it. So LHS equals to RHS. First bit completed. Now the second bit. Okay. Now second problem. First one, for any integer a, for any integer here, what is minus 1 into a equal to? Minus 1 into a equal to what? See, for example, we will take that. So minus 1 into a. Actually, so given, what is given? Given. So minus 1 into a, that is equals to minus 1 into a minus a. Minus 1 into a is equals to minus a. So we will take that if a is a positive integer, if a is a positive integer, or if you will take a is as a negative integer, then you will get a plus. So where here a is positive, a is positive, and minus 1 into minus a is equals to what? So here minus into minus plus a, where a is negative. So these two you have to observe. So here minus 1 into a is only given in our problem. So minus 1 into a is equals to what? Minus a only always. But if here a place, if you can consider the negative value, then what you will get? Minus 1 into minus a is equals to a. Minus into minus plus. That's why it will become as a. So take any one example. So here minus 1 into 5 or minus 1 into 3. Then what you will get? Minus 1 into 3, minus 3 only. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3 only. So then, so for any integer a, what is the value of minus 1 into a? Minus 1 into a is equals to minus a. So now the second one is what? Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 5. Whose product is? See, so what is given? Given minus 1. Given minus 1. So determine the integer whose product with minus 1. With minus 1, we have to determine the one of the integer. This we have to find. Whose product is equals to 5. So this is equals to 5. So now see here, if you write any number here, then the product of these two, that result is plus 5. So here minus 1 is given. So if you multiply any number with a negative number, it is only possible. Minus into minus plus. So that's why the required number must be in negative form, compulsory. And now with 1 into something is something here. 1 into 5 is equals to 5. So what is our required number now? Minus into minus plus 1 5 is 5. So finally this is our required number. Required number. So determine the integer. This is our integer. So whose product with minus 1? Whose product with minus 1 is 5? So minus 5 answer. Okay. Right. Okay. Now the third problem. Find the product. Find the product using suitable properties. So we have to use some properties here. So first problem, let us see. So 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Here we have to choose that. What we have to find that what is the given property included in this. So for this, so first of all, see that. So write as is 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So if you observe this, see minus 48 is repeated here. So in this product and in this product also minus 48 we can find it. So now take this minus 48 as common number. Minus 48 now I am taking as minus 48 as common. So then what I am writing here? 26. 26 into minus 48. That's why here into relation is there. So 26 I am writing. Minus 48 into 26 only it is called. So then what is the next plus? So 26 it is completed. And the next in this product also minus 48 will take common out. And then into what is the remaining number? Minus 36. Minus 36. This is we have to observe the first one. And now, so minus 48 as is right. So why? Because here why we are taking this as into the form of, so distributive property. Distributive property. Use the distributive property here. So here, so I am writing A into B plus C, that is equals to A into B plus A into C. That is a distributive property. So now by using that property we can write it as what? What is which property this is? Distributive property. Okay, distributive property. So minus 48 and it is into 26, remove the bracket, plus into minus, minus, and this is 36. So now we can apply this minus 48 into what? So 26 to minus 36, subtract it, what you will get? Minus 10. Minus 10. So now between these two there is a into relation. So finally you can find it minus into minus plus 48 10s are 480. So this is the answer. Which property we used here? Distributive property in this. Okay, right. Next, second problem. Okay, now the second problem. 8 into 53 into minus 125. See here our with the multiplication relation only. 8 into 53 into minus 125. 8 into 53 we can multiply, we will get the 424 and into minus 25. So here by multiplying these two we will get minus 53,000. Here which property we can use? Closure property with respect to the multiplication. So and the next third one is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. So first of all rearrange all the given numbers. 15 into 4, 15 into minus 4, minus 25 into minus 10. It is very easy to multiply. 15 4 are minus 60. So and minus into minus plus 25 10 are 250. By multiplying these two we will get the minus 15,000. So here is also we can use that closure property with the multiplication, with respect to multiplication. So now that we will see the next fourth problem. Okay, next fourth problem. Minus 41 into 102. So minus 41 into 102. Direct multiplication we can take here. Minus 41 into 102 is minus 4182. This is your closure property with multiplication. So fifth one now. So 625 into minus 35 plus of minus 625 into 65. So here if you observe this, the distributive property is involved in this. So 625 is a repeated number. So that's why 625 take as a common number. So 625, first of all write as is 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. So now 625 will take the common. 625 will take the common. So here what will be left? Minus 35 plus this is here minus 625 is there, but we have only taken that 625 plus positive 625 only we have taken that common. Then what about this minus? This is converted to this 65. So minus 65. Why? Because minus a into b is equals to a into minus b. Both are same. So now it is, see if you observe this a into b plus c form. A into b plus c form. A into b plus c is equals to a into b plus a into c. So this form is converted to a into b plus c form. This is called as distributive property. 625 into minus 35 plus into minus minus and 65. So minus 35 minus 65 how much? Totally minus 100. So 625 into minus 100, 62,500. Minus 62,500. So this is the fifth question. So now the sixth question. Okay, next sixth problem. 7 into 50 minus 2. So it is in the form of a into minus b, a into b minus c. So it is also called as distributive property. A into b minus a into c. So 7 into 50 minus 2. This can be written as 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. So 7 5 is 35. So we can get that 350 minus 7 is 14. 350 minus 14 is equal to 336. So which property involved in this? Distributive property. So right now, So seventh problem, minus 17 into minus 29. So directly we can multiply it is. So but we have to must find that which property is involved in that. So minus 17 into minus 29. This minus 29 can be written as minus 17 into minus 30 plus 1 to find that distributive property here. So minus 17. So a into b plus c, save like this, a into b plus c form, a into b plus a into c, like that. So minus 17 into minus 30 plus minus 17 into 1. So minus 17 into minus 30 means minus into minus plus 17 is 51 means 510. Here plus into minus minus 17 minus 17. 510 minus 17 is equals to 493. 493. And the next, okay, next last problem of this exercise. So that is minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. So this can be written as minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57 into 1. So for our convenience, we can write it as 57 minus 57 only, no problem. So now here 57 and here 57, both 57 will take common. So minus 57 will take common, then what you will get? Minus 19. Here minus into minus plus we will get. So that's why here minus symbol you have to keep that, only one is left. So 57 take common out. Then so it is in the form of a into b minus c. A into b minus c. Again distributive property involved. So minus 57 minus 19 minus 1 how much? Minus 20. So minus 57 minus into minus plus. So 57 into 20 is equals to 1140 is the answer. So I hope you understand this. So very useful. So exercise 1.5 for those 7th class children, right? Thank you very much.